Hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a really fun video planned for today. So today we have a huge spring ASOS haul, and I am loving ASOS at the minute. They have some incredibly beautiful pieces on their website. Before we get into it, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lauren. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. And if you like what you see here today, which I really do hope you will, then please hit the red subscribe button down below. We would love it if you consider joining our YouTube family. You might want to switch the notification bell on as well if you want to be the first to know as soon as I post a new video. Everything in today's video will be linked down below. Just click show more. The box will expand. I'll make sure to include all of the sizes I picked everything up in, as well as my sizing information. I'm 5'3" just for reference. Now if you find any of the items in today's video to be out of stock, it seems like a lot of these items are selling out quite quickly. ASOS does seem to be slowly restocking them, but what I've been doing is running the Shop Tiger extension on Safari. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share a good kind of shopping tip and tool that I use that helps me to save money and to save time. So you can set up a notification to be notified when an item comes back into stock or if it gets discounted or goes on sale, and Shop Tiger emails you directly. That's actually how I got one of the pieces in today's video. It was out of stock and I set up the notification and they emailed me and I picked up the item a moment later. So I just wanted to share that with you, so let's get into the video. Starting things off with this beautiful eyelet or broderie Anglais T-style midi length dress. Eyelet is just one of my absolute favorites to wear in the spring and summer season. It just looks very elegant and feminine, but also has kind of a girly and casual feel. It can really actually be dressed up or down. This dress actually looks quite similar to the one that I featured in my most recent Zara haul video. I'll link that one above and down below in case you're interested in giving that video a watch, but I do actually think I prefer this one. The material actually feels a lot softer, so I think it'll be a little bit more comfortable on the body. It doesn't feel restrictive in any way. That dress was lined, whereas this one is very kind of lightly lined, and by lightly lined I mean it's only really lined through the top part of the dress, so just through your chest area. But I do think the way that the embroidery has been done on this piece, that there is enough solid white material that you will be completely covered. I will, however, recommend that you wear nude undergarments with this dress, because typically with wearing a white dress, it can be a little bit on the see-through side. So really excited to start wearing this dress. I know I'll be able to reach for it for multiple occasions to wear it all throughout the spring and summer season. So this skirt I actually went back and forth on when I was looking at it on the ASOS website, mostly because it's a little bit expensive. It was $83 US, and I was worried I was going to love it, so I didn't want to order it, but I decided to order it, and of course I love it. I mean, how gorgeous is this midi style skirt? I just think it's absolutely stunning. I think the embroidery on this one, the eyelet detail, is really different because it's quite a broad, wide eyelet detail. Generally speaking, it's a little bit more small and intricate. I wasn't sure about the pockets, but you know what? They do actually really complement the skirt, and then it does have a beautiful kind of ruffle panel at the bottom here. The skirt is completely lined, and then it does come with this gorgeous belt, and I really like the bamboo buckle on it. I think that's a nice added touch, and the skirt actually sits very high rise on the body. And if you're looking for a statement piece to incorporate into your spring wardrobe, then this skirt is definitely a winner. This top I know is already going to be a huge favorite of mine, and I can envision myself wearing it throughout the spring and summer season on multiple different occasions. I primarily think I'm going to style it with a pair of white denim or light denim jeans. I want to be kind of more casual on the bottom, but then have a really pretty top up top, and this one I think is just that. I really do love the color. It's kind of like a deeper beige color, which is a big trend that we're seeing for the spring and summer 2019 season. I do really like the buttons down the front. The top actually completely unbuttons, and I love that it's not skin tight. It's going to sit off the shoulder, and then I just love these little dainty balloon style sleeves. I just think it's a really darling top, and it's in a linen fabric, which I think is a really nice fabric to wear throughout the spring and summer season. Next up we have a pair of trousers, and this purchase was actually very much influenced by another YouTuber. Her name is Charlotte, and her channel is called Model Mouth. I'll link it down below. Charlotte is absolutely stunning. She's 5'7", so naturally a trouser like this looked absolutely incredible on her, and she has a very good sense of style. I do really enjoy watching her videos, and she explains and styles everything absolutely beautifully, so definitely check out her channel. These are a very high rise trouser. I'm talking above your belly button, but I love that. They have a really nice paper bag waist, and I like the belt detail with the tortoiseshell buckle. Very much in style and on trend for the spring and summer season, but you could actually swap out the belt for your own. They just feel like a really nice lightweight trouser, and they have a nice pocket detail at the front. I love pockets. I'm all about that. So I think these are a beautiful piece. You could easily actually wear these as a workwear item. You could throw a nice blazer over top. These are from a brand called Stradivarius, which we can't get here in North America, but I love Stradivarius. It's literally like a cheaper version of Zara. Moving right along here, next up I have a couple of gorgeous bodysuits to share with you. So first up we have this beautiful floral print bodysuit from Missguided. It is a little bit on the sheer side of things, but I mean, how beautiful is that floral print? I just think it's absolutely stunning. I love the turquoise detail in the center of the flowers. I just think that's really, really pretty. And if you like the bodysuit, you're gonna love the dress. So I'll insert a photo now, and I'm tempted to order that dress because I think it's equally as gorgeous as the bodysuit. I just think bodysuits are really practical to wear in the spring and summer season. I like the idea of having everything tucked in. This is a little bit gaping at the front, so I'm gonna work with it. I'm not sure if I need to put a stitch or a button just to kind of pull this piece over, because otherwise I'm worried I might be kind of falling out. I know I don't have a lot going on up here, but still I don't want anything being exposed. But you could actually wear a pretty white bralette underneath it. Maybe I will style it up in the try-on clip just to experiment on what my options are for it, because I do want to keep it. The sleeves are really gorgeous as well, and then I really like that they incorporated this nude bottom part of the bodysuit. That way you can still wear it with white denim jeans or a white denim skirt, which is exactly how I envision wearing it. And it also has a thong style at the back, which is great because you won't have any lines showing, especially if you're opting for a white denim like I plan to do so. This bodysuit is actually so much more beautiful in person than I initially thought it was going to be when I saw it on the website. I expected the material to be actually quite different. I was expecting it to look quite similar to the one from Missguided, but it is quite a soft, almost cottony feeling material. I mean, it's an ultra soft material. It's going to feel really nice on your body. The sleeves to me are everything. They are smocked at the cuff, which I love because it creates this nice bat wing floaty effect. It is quite plunging, as you can see, but then it does have this drop across the back here, which should prevent the bodysuit from slipping off your shoulders. And the best part of the bodysuit is it's a thong style as well, so you won't have any lines showing in your trousers. And then I should have mentioned, but both of the bodysuits actually have snaps, so it will make it really easy to go in and out of the washroom. Next up, we have a beautiful pair of shorts. They're in the gorgeous Eyelet or Broderie Anglais fabric, which you know by now I am absolutely all for. I love the button details at the front. They're in that gorgeous tortoise shell, and I really actually like this belt detail. I think that's a really nice touch. They have a pretty decent inseam, so they're not a short. To me, they actually look like quite a smart style short, and they are going to sit quite high rise. I wish they would have done a matching blazer with these shorts, because how stunning would that have looked? That would have been such a beautiful short set combo, but nonetheless, I think these will look absolutely gorgeous on an upcoming vacation. Another beautiful piece from ASOS own brand, and actually most of the items in today's haul are from ASOS own brand, and I'm very, very impressed, and I'm doing really well. I don't actually buy a lot of tops, but I've been making it my mission for the spring and summer season to incorporate some more tops into my wardrobe. This top is also available in white and black, and if you know me, you know I was very tempted to go for it in white, but I thought I would change things up a bit and incorporate this gorgeous kind of dusty mauve color into my wardrobe. I really fell in love with the neckline, so it's like a spaghetti style strap, and then these sleeves just kind of sit off your shoulder, and I just thought that was really, really pretty. I like that it's not a tightly fitted top. It does have a little bit of a floaty feel to it, and this top is completely lined, which is good because the eyelet detail is a little bit larger, so it would be a little bit more on the see-through side. And then they incorporate this really gorgeous wood effect buttons, which I think is a really nice touch. Next up, we have a gorgeous set, and I'm not going to do it justice holding it up on the hanger. I definitely think it's a set that will look a lot prettier on. So it's just in a solid white. The fabric's really nice actually on this set, so it's majority cotton, and then it does have a little bit of linen in it, which is perfect for the spring and summer season. Both these pieces you could actually wear separately. They're falling off the hanger. I've tried to shoot this about 5 different times, so I'm just gonna go with it. But I thought the top had some really gorgeous design details, and it just looked really stunning on the model, so I had to give it a go. I think it will look really actually beautiful on vacation, and especially in photos. And the last clothing item I'm going to share with you before we move into some accessories is hands down my favorite piece from the haul, and it's actually the piece that I got using Shop Tagger, and it is this beautiful Eyelet or Broderie Anglais dress. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. If I were a dress, this would be me in a dress. I love that it has a long sleeve on this piece, because that way I can wear it on those chillier kind of days and evenings in the springtime, and even sometimes in our summer months it can be quite cool in the evenings. And this is a piece that you could actually really kind of dress up or down. You could wear it for a lot of different occasions throughout the spring and summer season. I love the squared off neckline. It's very flattering. It kind of makes it look like you have a little bit more going on up top if you're lacking in that department, you know, like I am. I like this kind of cutout lattice effect detail. I'm not too sure what you call that, but I do think that's a really kind of pretty design detail. And then the skirt is a kind of tiered off skirt. It's very kind of like feminine and flowy. It kind of hugs your body in all the right places, and I just think this is such a stunning piece and I cannot wait to start wearing it. Getting down to our last couple of items here. So next up is actually the headband that I have on. I just thought this would be a really kind of cute and fun piece to incorporate into my spring and summer wardrobe, and I actually am going to take it on holiday. I think it definitely has kind of a vacation look and feel to it. I love this woven material. It's going to pair actually really nicely with a pair of espadrilles or kind of a basket woven style bag, and I like the knotted detail at the top here. At the back, so it does go completely around your head. It's a silk or kind of satin material. It's elasticated and it feels actually quite comfortable and secure on your head. It's not digging in and it's not itchy at all. So I really like this one. I think it's a fun piece that I cannot wait to start wearing, and hair accessories are making a huge comeback this season. You might be noticing some hair clips, big barrettes, headbands, even butterfly clips. So if you're wanting to experiment with the hairband or hair clip trend, now is definitely the time to do so. Last but certainly not least are these beautiful bow style mules. I mean, how gorgeous are these? I love the material on them. They're kind of a woven style, very kind of natural effect. They'd actually look really good with the headband that I have on. I ordered them in a US size 8. That's my typical size, and I'd say that these ones fit true to size. I really like they have a bit of a heel. I'm personally the most happy and confident when I'm wearing heels, so they have a nice kind of heel, not too high, but it's going to give you a good little height boost. I can't speak to how comfortable these are to walk in. I haven't actually tried walking around in them yet, but I hope that they feel as good as they look, because they're definitely a beautiful statement shoe to incorporate into your spring and summer wardrobe. So that's all from me. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. I feel like that was such a good haul, and I hope you got some ideas and inspiration and maybe found a few key pieces you might want to incorporate into your spring and summer wardrobe. If you liked today's video, please give it a huge thumbs up. That would mean so much to me, and that's how I know you want to see more videos like this. And if you didn't get a chance to subscribe, please consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. We would love it for you to join our YouTube family, especially if you want to see more fashion videos like this one. And let me know what your favorite item was from the haul. I do really enjoy chatting with you in the comment section down below, and thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me, so thank you. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week, and I can't wait to see you back here in my next video. Bye!